We rely also upon the authority cited in our submissions of William Kabogo, where the learned Justice Kimaru said a difference of over 5,000 votes between the parliamentary position and the presidential can only be as a result of fraud. My ladies and my lords, would also urge the court to note that at this election, the IEBC had provided a clerk whose sole duty at the polling station was to ensure that voters placed their ballot papers in the right box. And therefore, the incidence of such a high number of stray or allegedly stray ballot papers cannot be explained and has not been explained.